Good day to all of you. My name is S. Navneethan. I am Senior Vice President in Phoenixel, a B2B company. We are launching a training module in our website. Presently, we are online for problem solving tools. As you know, problem solving tools are very much useful in solving problems encountered in any industry, being a manufacturing or a service. There are various tools available to focus on the problem at hand, have a solution for them. Some of the common tools used are data collection, brainstorming, cause and effect diagram, scatter diagram, stratification, Pareto analysis, histogram, and box plot. Using these tools, we will be in a position to analyze the problem at hand, take action, and find out improvements. Clearly, we can see the improvements before and after. This is a 2-day program with a 2 hour session each. I request all of you to enroll for this program and get benefited. Thank you.